We should be getting pretty close now, sire.
Yeah, we better be.
Well, there it is.
So, this here's the oldest tree in the forest, huh? Ought to burn real nice in my fireplace.
But how is this gonna work, Your Majesty? You know that this twig cat won't break down into many pieces since he's sleeping like a statue. Oh, don't worry, Snowball. I'll always blow up my laser chainsaw, just in case of my real evil skin's emergencies. So, let's cut this stone cat into many pieces of nothingness. Children, don't try this at home, or else you're gonna get hurt with so many cuts and bruises all over your bodies.
Who did that?
Yeah, come on out.
Animal ambush! Kirby, that's a name you should know. Kirby, he's the star of the show. He's more than you think, he's got maximum pink. Kirby's the one. He comes from right, ha-ha-cha. He comes from right, ha-ha-cha. Give it all that you got, take your very best shot. Cause then you're right back at you for sure, yeah.
How can I help you, King DDD?
I need a monster to claw with that there Kirby.
That's what we do best at NME.
You better get it with a money-back guarantee.